Girly pants, what are you doing? Whoa! You and Mama gonna make things? Eggs?
We're gonna buy Easter eggs.
Do a little dance. Do a little dance.
I don't think the red's gonna work.
Why?
It's not dissolving.
Close that, girly? Where's Mama? There's Mama. That's Daddy.
Okay, sit in your chair, Pooh Bear. Sit up in your chair. Make sure she don't touch them, Daddy.
Our Easter eggs.
Hold on until Mommy tells you to. Hold on, don't touch. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. Oh, Mom almost dyed her shirt string there. We're gonna take these eggs and we're gonna put them in these colors. And then we'll put them back on here and they'll be dyed different colors. So which color do you want to do first? Yellow? Okay, don't put your fingers in it. Here, put the egg in there. Put it in there. Drop it. Oh yeah, wait, we gotta let it sit. Gotta let it sit. Watch. I'm spinning around with this. Okay, we'll let that one. Okay, put an egg in that one. No, leave it there. Leave it there.
You dyeing eggs, girly?
My fingers. Okay, put an egg in that one. Put it in there. Drop it. Oh, good job. Leave it. Put an egg in this one. Okay. And then put an egg in that one. Leave it there. You gotta spin them around with that. Woo, they're turning colors.
No.
Good thing it's non-toxic. I bet that tastes nasty. That's vinegar. Oh, this is gonna be multicolored. Okay. Now we take them out and we put them on here, okay? We'll take the egg out and put it right there. Put it in that hole.
Put it in the hole,
Put
girly.
it in here like Mommy.
You're breaking the shells, girly. Good job.
Okay, now take this one, put it in whichever color you want. Put it in which one you want. In the blue, okay. And that one? No, you want them both blue? Okay. Don't wait, put that one back, it's already colored. Take this one and put it in there. Put it in there. Good job, we're gonna have cracked Easter eggs. No, baby, that one's already colored blue. Take this one, put it in there. Good job. Take this one and put it in here. Good job. Now we gotta spin them around. This. Get them all nice and colored. Spin this one. Baby, it's already colored. That one's already done.
Come on, it's time to put them all together.
I know. Okay, those ones are done. All done. No touchies. Okay, take them out and put them on there.
Good job, girly.
God, so smart.
Oh, yay!
Oh, goodness. Right here.
No, don't play in it.
Right there. And take this one and put it in there. Put it in the hole. Oh, we want to mix color that one. Okay, that one's going to be pretty. That one's already blue, baby.
Not blue enough, Mama.
This one, put it in there. Put it right here. Good job. All right. Now these ones are all done. So we're going to put these up here.
We got more?
Yeah, in the pan. You bring me the pan. Hold on, don't put your fingers in it. Yucky, yucky. Look at how messy the Pooh Bear is. Oh my goodness. Olivia, look at the camera. Hey, show me your hands. Show Mommy your hands.
You want to do more, girly?
Green and orange fingers.
You want to do more?
Here, Daddy, we'll give the camera back to Daddy.
Hold on.
Oh, in just a second. Look, we got all those to do. Give me a big smile. And put them in there.
Then we got stickers to put on, girly.
After they dry, you can get out of your seat. Come over here. Put them in there. We'll get more. Oh yeah, wiping the color all over us. Go get more. Get more out of here. Why are you making fun of me?
So can. Okay.
Okay. Daddy, will you drain the water out of this? Okay, we gotta spin them. Good job. Spin those ones. Spin these ones. No, these ones, baby. Well, these ones, you gotta spin them. You gotta turn them over.
Olivia.
Look at Daddy.
Olivia Marie.
Okay, where did that pan go?
Olivia.
We gotta put him back in the pan.
Olivia.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy, Pooh Bear. Look up there.
Hi.
Ink on there. Okay, we gotta drip them off. Put them in the pan. Gently. Oh, it's not so gentle. All right.
Good job, girly. Yay.
All right, the dye. Now we gotta throw our dye away.
You do some clapping, girly?
Yay!
Yay!
Yay, Olivia dyed her first Easter eggs. You did good. Give me high fives. She's like, I want to do more, Mom. Ah! You got Mama's hands green. Look at those fingers. They're so green.
Ew. You got a green thumb, girly.
Yeah, more than a green thumb. You want to go take a bath now? Go get clean?